because you mentioned using technology more so than the actual kind of I would say people to kind of scale, which some other managed marketplaces have to scale with the workforce and whatnot. Say for instance like a Flexport. So
Yeah.
how like at what stage did you really start to introduce and emphasize kind of technology?
Day one.
Day one.
Yeah, that's also another huge learning from Shyp, but also just everybody that's trying to do this as well. I think Ryan, the the founder of Flexport, he actually had a good blog post around they didn't introduce technology soon enough, and they kind of scaled the people side of things, in which they're in a completely different type of business, and they have way more suppliers. They're dealing with probably tens of thousands of different people around the world, where us for on the 3PL side, like it's dozens and hundreds. So it's a little different. But yeah, from those things, we wanted to make sure that we're a technology company and we're not looking to scale this, and that's why it actually took us a year and a half to launch publicly, because we wanted to make sure that we had the right quality for these brands, and when a lot had to do with the technology and making sure that it worked, and also that it was super scalable. And I don't want to pour. So to date, we've raised $5.5 million, call that a seed round, and really wanted to be careful. And that actually came in a few different tranches. And as soon as we were more comfortable to add more people on to scale the technology, that's when we raised a little bit more money, kind of doing this rolling seed thing. And that's another huge learning from Shyp. Do not raise too much money. Make sure you're deploying it the right way. And for us, it's always been in technology, so we can automate those processes. We could take the approach to have 100 or 500 customer service people on the back end to just like figure out when, like, why is this order late, and why didn't this thing go out in time, and why is this thing damaged, and like just try to make it work that way. That's not something that is really, it's for one really not scalable, and like it's not the experience that the customers will want. So we really invest in technology from day one.